Hello viewer, today I will be showing you how to create a Java programming environment by installing the IntelliJ editor and the Java development kit. First, you will need to open a web browser and search for the IntelliJ download page. Click on the first result. Scroll down until it shows the Community Edition download page. Download the installer for your operating system and save it to your computer. Now you need to search for the Java JDK download. Again, click the first result and download the installer for your OS. Now, go to your file manager and launch the installer for IntelliJ. Accept the administrator prompt and follow the setup instructions. Please make sure you select the Add bin to path option. Proceed with the setup and wait for the software to install. While you are waiting for the editor to install, launch the Java Setup Wizard. Accept the admin prompt, and keep clicking Next. This should install fairly quickly, and when it is done, close the installer and wait for the editor to install. This takes 5 to 10 minutes to install, so I'm going to fast forward. When finished installing, the editor will ask you to restart your computer. You can choose to do it at that moment, or at a later time. Select the option you choose, and click Finish to proceed. After restarting, open your Start menu and look for two folders. One is called Java Development Kit and the other is called JetBrains. The JetBrains folder contains the editor, and the Java folder contains documentation for the development kit you installed earlier. Now launch the editor and wait for it to load. You will be taken to a home screen which has multiple useful functions like a new project button, a plugins feature, and a button for launching existing projects. Click on New Project, name it, and wait for the development environment to load. Here is where you will write all your programs and projects.